Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the Goal and Habit Tracker. This template is designed to help you achieve your most important goals, stay consistent with your habits, and bring balance to all areas of your life. Let's start with the main dashboard. Here you'll find your shortcuts to all the pages of the templates, including a setup guide. With sections for life areas, goal tracking, habit tracking, and resources, this template will empower you to track your progress and stay on top of what matters most. First, let's look at the life areas page. Here you can break down your life into key categories, whether it's health, career, relationships, or personal growth. By identifying these areas, you create a clear roadmap for what you want to focus on. You can easily add one by clicking this button. Next, we have the goal tracking page. This is where you'll set your specific goals. Whether they are short term or long term, you can easily track each goal's progress. This page helps you stay organized and motivated by giving you a clear visual of your goals and how close you are to achieving them. Now let's move on to habit tracking. This is one of the most powerful features of the template. Here you'll be able to track your daily habits, whether it's exercise, meditation, reading, or anything else that helps you reach your goals. It's a great way to build consistency and develop positive routines that support your bigger life goals. And finally, we have the resources page. This is where you can store helpful materials such as articles, books, videos, or even your own reflections. Whenever you need inspiration or a reminder while you're working towards your goals, you'll have everything set in one easy to access place. This template also includes a database where you can see or edit all your entries at once. The all-in-one Notion template is fully customizable, quick to set up, and comes with a lifetime of updates and of course customer support. You can find the link to this template in the description down below and on our website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and explore our other templates as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.